to create AI movies for free. Trust me when I say free, it is 100% free. And I'm not talking about Flow AI. No, this is not Flow AI. This is not Grok. This is not any other AI apps that you use. So if you see me for the first time, my name is Texsy Chronicles, and on this channel, we spill the tea. So as usual, we are going to be using Chat GPT. You can use any chatbot of your choice, but for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to be using Chat GPT. So this is our story now. To create your story or to create a movie, you need to generate a story. And in my previous videos, I already taught you how you can generate stories and how to come up with stories idea that will not get demonetized. Okay, so this is a typical story. Create a 4-scene movie for this story, 3D pizza style. So this is the story, and I requested for the full story. So we got 4 scenes as requested. Okay, the next thing I'm going to request for is give me the image scene prompt. You need to generate your scene prompt, and this is the image scene prompt. This is the prompt that we are going to use to generate our scene. And next we are going to ask for is the character prompt. You need your character prompt to generate your scene, right? So we have character 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 characters. So I am going to copy the character. You copy this character, the same character 1, paste it here to generate your character. This is character 1. This is my scene character for character 2. So this is for my character 3, and this is for my character 4. We have 4 characters. So what we are going to do next is use your character as tag for your image scene. So you are going to come to scene 1. So this is scene 1. You are going to copy scene 1 like this. You are going to copy scene 1 like this. Copy. Can you see? Copy. Then paste it to generate scene 1 image. So you are going to paste it here. You are going to paste it here and upload the image of those people in scene 1. So we have this man and the maid in scene 1. So we got this. You see, this is the man at the center here. The man has visitors, so the visitors are not they are not our main character. So this person and this person is our main character. So this is the girl, and we'll copy scene 2 and tag the people in scene 2. So this is the man and the maid again, and our scene 3. This is our scene 3, the lady and the man again. So what you are going to do next is save your videos. So what you are going to do next is save your images, because you are going to use it to, create our video. So what you are going to request for next is give me image to video prompt. Then you are going to send it. So we need the image to video prompt to generate our video. So we have the image to video prompt with the dialogue, right? This is it here. So what we are going to do now is go to the main purpose of this video, which is the app that we are going to use to generate it. So you can log into your app store or your Play Store or on the web and look for this app, Tinker. It is called Tinker. You click on it. This is the logo of the app. Then you click here. You are going to sign in or sign up with your email. You see type to create. You click here. Then it's going to load. You see here, you see image, you see video, you see text. Here under image, you can create your image scene here, but we are creating video here. Then you are going to click on video. After clicking on video, you are going to go and select your image, the first image. Then you are going to set it. Can you see additional setting? You click on additional setting. Click here. If you are creating for Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube short or Instagram, you use 9:16. But for YouTube long, you use 69. But for this one, we are using 9:16. So you click on it. You click on the duration. We have 4 seconds and we have 6 seconds here. You click on the 6 seconds and you click on generate audio. Don't toggle it off so that your character can talk. Okay, now that you have everything ready, these are prompts. You will go and copy the image to video prompt. Can you see now? Image to video prompt. Here, this is the image to video prompt, and we are going to paste it here. So you are going to edit your image to video prompt. Can you see Victor? You know we have three men. So you go to that image and see what you can use to identify that man amongst the three men. So you say the man at the middle. Can you see? So Victor, the man at the middle. Victor, the man at the middle. So can you see the man at the middle says someone in this house is hiding something. So Lina, the lady, Lina whispers just a little more evidence, then everyone will know the truth. Can you see now? So what you are going to do, you click OK. And after clicking OK, you come here. You see Google View Video 3 generation. You come here, Google View Video Generator. You can use Google, you can use Clink AI Video, you can use Clink AI Video Editor, and you can use Sidance Video Generator. You can use any of the video generator. I'm going to be using Sidance Video Generator. You click on it. When you see that everything is done, you see your image is here, your prompt is here. When you see that everything is perfectly okay, you don't need anything to, you know, to edit again or anything, then you are going to slide this. Can you see? You slide this to the right to generate your video. Can you see your video is loading now? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Subscribe and turn on your notification because I drop free tips like this every week.
Hiding something.
Just a little more evidence, then everyone will know the truth.
Someone in this house is hiding something.
Just a little more evidence, then everyone will know the truth.
Can you see? I think this is perfect enough for a free generation. Then you click here, you come to this place, you click on these three dots and see download. Can you see? You download, and it's going to, download your video to your phone. Can you see? And it's going to download your video to your phone. So I think this video is good enough. The next thing you want to do, is edit your video, download it and post. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I will respond to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the latest tip. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Someone in this house is hiding something.
Just a little more evidence, then everyone will know the truth.